Every great brand has one thing in common: a logo you instantly recognize. But what if your logo is doing the opposite? What if it's forgettable, generic, or even hurting your business? Hello, and welcome back to Penji's YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring the world of logo design, the power of a strong logo. A logo is more than just an image. It's the face of your brand, the first thing people see, and the first thing they remember. According to a study by Siegel and Gale, simple logos are 13% more memorable, making a lasting impact on potential customers. And yet, so many businesses settle for designs that blend in, not stand out. But how do you avoid that? The key is hiring the right logo designer, someone who understands both art and strategy. Finding the right logo designer is more than just hiring the first person with Photoshop. You need someone who will take the time to understand your brand, your vision, and your audience. A good designer doesn't just create a logo, they craft a story in a single image. Here's what to look for when hiring. Portfolio with range. Your designer should be able to adapt to different styles, from minimalistic to bold. Attention to detail. Small elements, like font choices and color schemes, can make or break your logo. Collaborative approach. You want a designer who's willing to listen and iterate until it's perfect. Common mistakes to avoid when hiring a logo designer. Hiring a logo designer isn't just about talent. It's also about avoiding costly mistakes. Here are 3 pitfalls to steer clear of. Choosing based on price alone. A cheap logo can cost you more in the long run if it doesn't resonate with your audience. Invest in quality, and you'll reap the rewards. Not checking previous work. Always review a designer's past projects. Ask yourself, do these logos look unique or generic? Rushing the process. A good logo takes time. Give your designer space to explore different ideas before locking in the final design. This is your brand's identity we're talking about. Take the time to get it right. Why a custom logo is worth the investment. So why invest in a custom logo? It's simple. Differentiation. In a sea of competition, your logo is one of the few ways you can truly stand out. And it doesn't have to be complicated. A study by Design Rush found that 73% of the most successful brands use minimalistic logos. But minimal doesn't mean boring. It means intentional. Every line, every color, every font should have a purpose. And that's what a skilled designer brings to the table. With the right designer, you'll have a logo that not only looks great, but speaks volumes about who you are. To wrap it up, here are a few final tips to ensure you hire the best designer for your brand. Ask for multiple concepts. A good designer will give you a few options to choose from. Trust their expertise. Once you've found someone you click with, give them creative freedom. Ensure ownership of the design. Make sure you own all the rights to your final logo. Your logo is the face of your brand. Make sure it's one that leaves a lasting impression. Ready to elevate your brand with a logo that stands out? Whether you're just starting out or looking for a rebrand, choosing the right logo designer could be the game changer your business needs. For more tips on how to grow your business through design, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out the links in the description below.